Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Nazrin Daud and today I'm gonna share with you something exciting as per usual. But before that, where have I been for the past few weeks? So allow me to share. I'm juggling between a few personal matters and of course work. You know, when I say work, it's back-to-back meetings, back-to-back project work, back-to-back countless of editings and changes and feedbacks and iterations throughout phases of a project. So that's the reason why. For personal wise, I've been feeling under the weather, so probably lack of sleep because of the limited time that we have in a day. But in the end of the day, I'm well. I wish you guys well, and let's start a new video today. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can create custom email using your own domain. So what I meant by that is basically when you buy your domain, for example, domain.com is your domain, right? To make it very simple, probably hello.com is your domain. So if you want to create a custom email, you will probably be admin@hello.com. Or if your name is sapeah.hello.com, for example, because we want custom domain tagged into the email itself. But you will be using the same Gmail account that you have. So all you need is three things. Number one, your custom domain. You can get it in Namecheap. Number two, you just need your Gmail account. It's free, so you can just open up one if you don't have a Gmail. Number three is a forward email tool. So I'm going to share with you what and how we go step by step into getting this set up, and you can use it for free. And we don't need Google Workspace, previously known as G Suite. So this is awesome, this is exciting, this is the best way as of now to have this integrated, and you can get this set up in less than 10 minutes. Let's go. So as you can see over in my screen, this is Namecheap. Okay, you can get your domain over here. You need to register an account, of course. You can apply it using the link below in the description of this video. So when you are here, if you don't have a domain, you can just find your domain, for example sapeah.com. Okay, and then you click search, and then you will see if there's an available domain. If it is available, it would show available, but it doesn't seem to show it's available. Oh no, sapeah.com is registered in 2020 last year. So let's just find another domain. Sapeah Mantol. Okay, Sapeah Mantol is available. Okay, but we're not gonna buy Sapeah Mantol. Just presentation, just for demonstration. Sapeahmantol.com is at $8.98 per year, and this is in USD. Do note that Namecheap is one of the best domain registrar that you can get a domain. Namecheap, they charge you only $8, probably round up to $9 per year, and it's really cost peanuts to get one. We have hundreds of domains in our back end, so this is just an example of how you can get your domain. A domain is an address in the internet to place your website or whichever server or platform that you have online. Okay, I hope that's clear. I hope that's not too jargon. So let's begin. I've already created an account, so let's just go in the back end. For this example, we are going to use one of my domain, darkgarlics.com. So darkgarlics is basically a project that I want to start with my dad because he loves to make black garlic out of the garlic that he harvested for a few days. Like it ferment these garlics into a rice cooker or something like that, and then it gives you multiple benefits. It can be an antioxidant and stuff like that. But enough of that. We're not going to jump into all these things, but just an example of what dark garlics is. So dark garlic is a simple landing page in which I have no intention to pursue anytime soon. But for this example, just take dark garlics. Imagine that you have already signed up for dark garlics. The domain, and then in this example is called darkgarlics.com, and then this is what you will see. Make sure the status of the domain is active. Okay, after which you go to advanced DNS. Okay, until here, stop. So what you need to do next is make sure you have a Gmail account. So in this example, I'm going to use my long lost Gmail account, which I no longer use it, nazonga@gmail.com. So Over here, you need to make sure it's working Gmail. This is like a Gmail which I didn't really check for years. So yeah, Gmail, check. And last but not least, you need to have a forward email account. Okay, so for this, you need to go to forwardemail.net, create an account, and I can show you how you can do this step by step. Okay, I've actually done it for nazrindaud.com, my own domain, and everything is in place, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in real time. So let's go. Okay, so first and foremost, create an account under forward email. These links can be found in the description in the video below. And once you are already set up, okay, you will see this home page. You will see domain. All you need to do is to add a new domain. So as example, we're gonna add darkgarlics.com. Okay, click continue. Dun, 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 dun. When you click continue, it will go into a next page where you need to verify the status. So you need to update these details. Alright, so you go back to Namecheap, and then this particular screen, you scroll down, make sure you're under advanced DNS. DNS is domain name server, and then you go down to the mail settings under email forwarding. You just click down, go to custom MX. Okay, so when you go custom MX, here is where you actually put the details where you seen in the forward email. So copy this one. This is the first MX record. Make sure the name is either this tree, but I'm just gonna put @ sign. Okay, the value is the one that you copy. Then for priority, it's 10. So you just copy 10. Okay, and then save all changes. Okay, that's one. So you need to add another one. It's the next one, MX2. Okay, make sure you have 2, yeah? And then click OK, save changes. Alright, so that's that. And then this is the part which you need to add TXT record to your domain's DNS for global catch-all. Okay, global catch-all, that means whichever emails from Roti Kirai Delights. It can be admin, sales, anything. It will go to my email address, but we are not going to use this email address. You will change it later, but I'm going to copy everything. Okay, go back to advanced DNS. I'm going to add a new record. Sorry, not here. It's actually here. Yeah, TXT record. I'm going to add a TXT record. Okay, over here I'm going to make sure I follow properly. @ sign. Okay, and then I'm going to paste the value here. Instead of nazrinmdaud@gmail.com, I'm going to change this to Nazonga. This is my unused Gmail, which I'm going to use as a demonstration today. So let's just click OK. So right now the setup is done. Okay, all you need to do, you go back and you click on verify records. So the X will turn into a tick. Let's just wait. Oh no, what's wrong? That's something. Oh, it will take time. So let's just wait until this is ready. Okay, so about 30 minutes, half an hour, the verification status turned green. So that means your domain has been verified with forward email tool. Alright, congratulations! Awesome, bravo! So what you need to do next is click on configure your domain over here. You will load a new page. This new page will show you all the types of settings that you can actually put. Okay, if you scroll up right over here, you see you can upgrade to $3 a month. So let me walk you through what are the pricing of this particular tool. You don't need to buy, it's not necessary because it is actually free. You can get unlimited domains, unlimited emails, unlimited disposal email. All these are free. Okay, and you don't need to pay a single cent, guys. Zilch, zero. But if in the event you need to have enhanced protection, of course, when you talk about emails, right, you need to make sure it's secured, especially when you exchange those important documents. You need to be enhanced and to be protected in some way. So I probably urge you to actually get the $3 a month compared to the Google Workspace, right? You are paying like what, $8 per Singapore dollars per month, and that's only per email. So 10 emails is $80. So if you can get just $3 a month, this is in USD, it is well worth it. And you can have unlimited domains and unlimited email address. It's all about forwarding them. And you have all these, jargons, all these tech features that you can have, browser extension coming soon and all these things. But if you want higher, you want to have a team, all these things you can actually explore. But for now, for this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through only for the free basic plan. Okay, I hope that's clear. Let's just close this tab. Okay, so when you scroll down over here, estimated setup time is less than 10 minutes. So let's try to reach within that time so that you can do your things and not worry about your email anymore. Okay, this depends on what type of registrar you are using. Just now, the example I use is Namecheap over here. So they will show you the step by step. You can even watch a video of them recording it. So I'm not going to walk you through that because I already showed you. So when you scroll down, yeah, these are the steps that we followed just now. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about how different options you can play around in this forward email tool. There are several options. The first one is the one that we did, forward an email to a certain Gmail address. Okay, that means they will forward all emails using any extension like all, hello, it can be admin, sales, support, it can be anything, all directed to one Gmail account. So for option B, you can create a designated single email address. For example, in this case, hello, okay, will be directed to the Gmail address. So as you can see over here, hello is directed to user@gmail.com, which is your email, your Gmail, okay? And that's option B if you want a specific extension. Okay, so option C, you can do multiple. Okay, hello will go to this email, and then support will go to this email. It is possible as well, because in the end of the day, you want to make sure all your Gmails are being sent to different inbox. If let's say you have 3 staff or 3 people who want to receive from a different type of extension, you make sure hello will go to email 1, support will go to email 2. I hope that is clear. Alright, and then moving forward, there are other variations. You can do multiples of this. So the powerful of this free tool, you can do that. If you have many stuff, you can save a lot of money. Okay, or probably pay the $3 and that's worth it. It's still worth it than any Google Workspace. But I still love Google Workspace. I'm a subscriber because I believe in whatever that they provide, the value that they give. So I'm still a supporter of Google Workspace, but this is actually a good solution for you to attach your custom domain to your email, your Gmail specifically. Alright, so let's test an example of an email sent to me. Okay, so I'm gonna test out probably hello at darkgarlics.com. Okay, and then I'm gonna say this is a test email sent to myself. Please read this. Okay, that's all. And sending to hello at darkgarlics.com. It can be anything. Maybe I'll put one more. Ho 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 at darkgarlics.com. Okay, so this means that I'm sending in 2 emails of the same thing. So let's send. So inside my inbox, I should be receiving 2 emails of the same thing. Just to show you that any form of extension using the same domain email works. So let's just wait. Maybe I should refresh this. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, so basically it's tie up together into one. Okay, it works. It makes sense because in the end of the day, it is the same email forwarding. Okay, so I received this, and that's about all for you to do email forwarding. But then you ask, how are I going to send email from the custom email that we just created? Don't worry, there's a way. When you go back into the forward email tool, okay, scroll down to step 2. You have done the step 1. Congratulations. Now go to step 2. Set up your Gmail. Click the button there. After which you will see this particular page. You can either watch the video because the video will show you how to do step by step, or you can continue to watch my video. It's the same. Okay, so step number 1, need to make sure your Gmail has two-factor authentication. So click on this one or open a new tab. Make sure you sign into your Gmail. Okay. And then just check that your two-step verification is on since the date. If not, then you need to enable it. Okay, so mine is done. So that's done. And then once this is enabled, you go to this link. So open a new tab. I'm going to open a new tab. Log in into your Gmail again. Okay, so over here, let's just remove whichever password that you have in the past because just now I do a test. So what does the instructions say? Okay, so step 3 asks you to select and generate an app for. Select mail. So step 1, the app is mail. Okay, and for this one, we need to see what the instruction says. Select other under the drop down, select device. Okay, other. Okay, so it prompts you for this input. Okay, and then for the input text, put in your custom domain email address. So we haven't set anything yet because just now our forwarding is to all any extension. So let's just choose the default hello@darkgarlics.com. So I'm going to copy the email address here. I'm going to paste it here. Or maybe I'll just choose different. Maybe Nazreen, my own name, at darkgarlics.com. Okay, correct spelling. And generate. Okay, so this is a password that I need to keep. Let's copy this. Okay, copy this. And I'm gonna paste it here. Yeah, so you guys also can see this is a password. And then let's go back and click done. Then you see the app password has been created for Nazreen@darkgarlics.com. Okay, let's go back into the instruction. We have done that. Okay, copy the password. We have done step 4. So step 5, you need to go to your Gmail and go to the settings. This one will it go away? Just copy this one and then paste it properly. Let me open a new tab so that I can paste it in the address bar. Okay, just to be safe in case I lost it. Okay, so over here, click on the gear icon, settings, see all settings. Okay, yeah, it's gone. Thank God that I copy paste over there. Alright, so over here, what the instruction says. Go to the accounts and import, send mail as. So when you go back to your Gmail, accounts and import, send mail as. Okay, and then add another email address. Let's go. Alright, over here, you can set your name, any name. So the email address will be, let me see. Yeah. Email address, put in the email address that you have put just now. Okay, so where is it? It's another window. Okay, so my email address is nazreen@darkgarlics.com. Okay, and then they ask you to uncheck this treat as an alias. Make sure you unchecked it. Okay, so that's what it's mentioned over here. Okay, point number 8, to make sure you uncheck treat as an alias. And then click next. Step 9 is click next. Okay, so over here, add another. The SMTP server. Okay, over here. So when prompted for this particular screen, enter this particular server, and then leave the port as 587. Okay, let's do that. Paste the server here, leave the port as 57, and then let me see from here. When prompted for username, this one, enter the portion of your Gmail address without the gmail.com. So my Gmail address is Nazonga, it's not Nazreen, Nazonga, and then the password is the one that I copied from here just now when you create an app, right? So when you go back, where is it? Come on. It's here. Okay, just paste your password here, and then make sure you leave the secured connection using TLS checked. Okay, so that's that. So we are step 13. Step 14, click add account. Okay, so confirm the email address. So we are done. Okay, so we are done. Open a new tab to Gmail and wait for the verification to arrive. So let's close this window. Let's go back over here and wait for the verification. There you go. So this is the verification. You should be clicking on this one, I suppose, to verify. Click on, okay, make sure it's correct. Click confirm, and there you go. Confirmation success. Yay! So it's done. Let's go back to the instruction to see if there's any more things that you need to do. No, nothing. All is good. So you have done it. So let's give it a test. Alright, so give it a test. So when you receive, let's say this is the email that I just sent test to myself. Here, I'm gonna reply this to my own email. Okay, but when you reply, right? Let me see if this can be done. Let's refresh this page first. Okay, reply. Over here you see from, you can have a drop down. You can click on nazreen@darkgarlics.com. Okay, and then that's just, hey man, I received your email. Send. So this is email sent from nazreen@darkgarlics.com, and it's to my own Gmail. So to verify, I should be receiving it here in just a few seconds. Let's just wait and see. Should be in anytime soon. Let's refresh. There you go. There you go. Okay, and you have received this from nazreen@darkgarlics.com via Gmail. That's about it for the step number 2. Alright, so you have done step number 1, where you forward your email, okay, your domain for your email forwarding. Step number 2, you can send your email using your own domain via your Gmail. So what's more? So I would like to add this last bonus step. Okay, in the event your emails fall into a spam box, what do you do? So to make sure that we prevent this to happen, we will do one more step. Okay, go back to the instruction page. Over here you can see important. Okay, include this append text under the SPF as a sender policy framework text record. Okay, and then include this example. Okay, just copy this particular whole stretch. Okay, go back to Namecheap under advanced DNS, add a new record. It's a TXT record. Okay, host, you can just leave it as @ sign. Value, just paste the one that you just copied, and then click tick, and there you go. Okay, this particular record helps you to prove to people that you are using a proper secured Gmail server, so the email won't fall into a spam box. That's it. Okay, so now you can send as many emails as you want using your domain name, your custom domain name, and I hope this will help you in some way. Alright, so if you find this video useful, please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like button because it's free, and if you have some comments or appreciation, drop down in the comment below. I really appreciate everything that you said, and I thank you for watching this video until this point. Should there be any things or any concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. You can also find me in various channels in the social media. You can add me in Facebook, in Instagram, in LinkedIn, what have you. All the details and links are all down below. You can also find the Namecheap details, the links, all inside, all below. Okay, all below. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye bye.